Ever wondered how your mobile phone camera magically adjusts to capture stunning photos in different lighting conditions? It's all down to a clever little mechanism known as ISO. ISO, short for International Organization for Standardization, is a crucial element in the world of photography. It's the sensitivity of your camera's sensor to light. In simpler terms, it's like the volume knob on your stereo, but instead of controlling sound, it controls light. Imagine walking into a dimly lit room. Your eyes gradually adjust, allowing you to see despite the low light. Your mobile phone camera does the same thing through ISO. When the light is low, the ISO increases, making the camera's sensor more sensitive to light. This enables it to absorb more light and create a brighter image. But how does this happen, you ask? Well, it's a step-by-step process. First, when you open your camera app and point your phone at a subject, the camera's light meter gets to work. It measures the light in the scene and determines the best settings for the shot. Then, the camera adjusts the ISO based on the light meter's readings. If the scene is dark, the camera increases the ISO, making the sensor more sensitive to light. If the scene is bright, it decreases the ISO, reducing the sensor's sensitivity to light. Next, the camera combines the ISO with other settings, like shutter speed and aperture, to create a well-exposed image. It's a delicate balancing act, like a chef combining ingredients to create the perfect dish. Finally, the camera captures the image. It takes all these settings, processes them, and voila! You have a photo that's perfectly exposed, no matter the lighting conditions. So, to summarize, ISO is a crucial part of your mobile phone camera. It adjusts the light sensitivity of the camera's sensor, enabling it to capture high-quality images in various lighting conditions. It works in tandem with other settings like shutter speed and aperture to create well-exposed images. And that, in a nutshell, is how your mobile phone camera adjusts to different lighting conditions using the ISO mechanism. It's like having a tiny professional photographer inside your phone, always ready to capture the perfect shot. Isn't technology amazing?
If you feel this content is informative to you, please like and share.